Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to fix OMI TV camera loading error. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to simply fix this problem, all you gotta do is simply tap on the app information of OMI TV. Once you do this, you need to go and tap on the permission section and make sure that the camera is given or permitted the access. So if you gonna simply tap on the allowed section, you can see the camera is allowed the permission. So if this does not solve the problem now, all you gotta do is simply scroll down and tap on storage. Once you do this, you can find the option called clear cache or clear data. So you can choose any of it to simply try to delete or erase all the cache memories in OMI TV, which will allow you to fix this problem. Or if this problem persists till the end, you can simply try to uninstall the app and then reinstall it in your device. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.